What up, Jet fam? This is a very special video today, just a little special clip. We're not working on our 2009 Ram today, but we are gonna work on a Dodge Charger SRT8. We're gonna change the radiator. It's one of my friends right here, and he asked me. He's like, "Hey man," he's like, "You think you could change my radiator for me?" He's like, "It popped." No, he's like, "It broke." I was like, "Yeah, no problem." I was like, "Just let me know what day." So that day is today. What you doing right there, Black?
I just finished taking off this side of the bumper.
Alright guys.
The bumper's ready to come off.
Looks like the bumper's ready. We're gonna yank off the bumper, guys, because we have to get to the radiator, which is right in here. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna replace those fans and the radiator. And yes guys, we are working on a 6.4 Hemi. The SRT8 Charger. This is not the 392, is it?
It is.
It is the 392? Yeah. This is how it looks with the bumper. And right now it's about to be off. Here it is, Jet fam. Let's put this right over here.
There you have it. We got all the nose unblocked. Make sure we're gonna fix everything that looks out of place too, because there's some plastics that look to be out of place. Let's keep this going.
That's good. I think my shit's losing liquid food, so we're gonna pick it up. We should have gone for that $90 jack. A drain plug? Alright guys, so far, put it up on some jack stands. So the jack stand is right over there, guys. Black right now is looking for the drainage plug. He's most likely gonna be, on the corners. Well, he says he found it. Alright, now to bring the new baby we just bought, Jet Life, to drain all of our fluids. That's what is up, Jet fam. And what Black's gonna do right now, he's going to use the jack as a support for the condenser so we could pull out the radiator.
I don't think it's gonna be high enough, bro.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go up high enough. That's the old fan, guys, with the old radiator. Busted up. One hose, second hose. Nuevecito, papá.
Fucking step on it.
Vámonos.
Necesitas.
Brand new fan, brand new radio, Jet fam. Gonna go back on the SRT. Alright, Jet fam. The fan is installed onto the radio already. We're about to throw in the radiator back on. It is getting kind of late on us already. There's not going to be no more light. So that's as much as we're going to be able to take in for today. But right now, once we have it all installed and the bumper back on, we'll try to see if we could film a little bit more just so you guys can see it. And hopefully my boy is here so he could turn it on and we can hear this baby roar, guys. Alright, what is up, Jet fam? Yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a glimpse around to the sky. It is very dark, guys, so we're lighting up. Hey Black, you guys cannot see him. He's lighting me up with the light, guys. We had to finish this job with just the lights on our phone. If you come back here, guys, you guys can see that we did put in a new fan and a new radiator. It's right back in there. Everything's right how it's supposed to go, just like it was. We leave everything just like it's OEM, boy. Alright, Jet fam, well there you go. We just got done with What is this? The
392 SRT Charger.
Yes, Charger. Yeah, that's what we just got done putting on the radiator and the fans, right?
Yeah, the fans too.
Make sure you guys like this. Make sure you guys drop a comment, hit the notification bell, subscribe. And guys, right now we're gonna let you guys see the front end, right? That's what it is?
Yeah, the front end.
We're gonna let you guys see the front end, guys. I hope you guys like it.
The little SRT emblem right there now.
Alright guys, so my boy is here, and right now he said he's gonna give me a little cold engine start. Just for you guys, just for the Jet fam. You know what? I think it's coming out right now. Let's hear it roar.
¿Se bajó? Da igual, échale poquito más. Top it off all the way.